today, but I believe in Patterson and her people, and I believe that her best days are ahead of her, not behind her, and you've proven it with your presence here today. There are those who talked about hope that was given in the past. They are a symbol of brotherhood, peace, and liberation. And I think that is the thing that we should take into tomorrows and the decades ahead. That only as we come together can there be true peace, brotherhood, and liberation.
I'll tell you a little bit about Ed. Ed Dwight is the sculptor of this monument. Ed Dwight is a renowned sculptor with many sculptures throughout the United States, including Washington, Atlanta, Battle Creek. Amazing. But more importantly, Ed was the first African-American astronaut in training in the United States of America. And he is one of the most humble, decent human beings you will ever meet. So, ladies and gentlemen, I want him to just say a few words because this man is truly special.
Thanks, Tony. As you all have already heard, monuments aren't just done by sculptors. You've seen a litany of the supporters and the people and the people who did all the hard work for over these many years. And so I come in late to the process. I want to extend a special thanks to Dolores Van Rensselaer, who not only did the research, but she had the brilliance and the insight to pick me as the sculptor. Good work. I've done three. This is the third Underground Railroad I've done, but the other ones were kind of renowned and expected. But as I go around the country and I mention Patterson and the Underground Railroad, and people look at me like I'm crazy. What are you talking about? So I want to thank you again because all of the memorials I do have really more history than they do making art. And the whole idea, the challenge is taking that history and turning it into visual form that'll prompt and motivate and inspire people to come and wonder why. Somebody already mentioned about the why of it all, and why is this here? And that's critical to simulate thought and to have people opening up books and going to Google and doing all the other stuff to find out why this is here and why it's important for it to be here. So again, thank you for your tenacity and your hard work and all the other wonderful things for gathering all of this, because the thing had to start someplace. So and thank you for allowing me to say a few words and all that fun stuff. And it's getting cold out here, so let's take the thing. Thanks.
First Lady. Okay, we're going to do the unveiling. Ladies and gentlemen, the Huntoon Van Rensselaer Monument. 11 years in the making. Hallelujah. Come on, everybody, lift your hand.
A friendship I will never end when you always can feel your pain. It's hard to see the sunshine through the rain. Oh, I know sometimes it seems as if it's never gonna end, but you